Still Friday. Man at Southern Tire Mart got my new tire mounted. It's purty. When they got the old one off, date code indicated it was one of the original tires on this backhoe. But anyway, on the old one, when we got it off, you could see at the bead transition to the sidewall, there was a lot of real serious cracking. So a tube would have been a poor choice. This is a Maxim 19.5 by 24 12 ply. It matches my other rear tire now. It's a good looking tire. At 28 psi. Backhoe did just like it's supposed to do. Started right up. I had to move it forward for them to work on it. You can see the mud here. We've been getting misty rain. And the flags downtown they've lowered in anticipation of the freezing rain. It tears up the flag poles. And the tire guys like my backhoe. I said, what do you do with it? I said, well, just like my fork truck inside that little building, one of those things, when you need one, you need one. Oh, okay. Good looking backhoe. Thank you. And it started right up, runs true, no smoke. It is a good backhoe. And well, anyway, now I gotta write the check and run down, and told them I'd carry the check down to their office. And I'm fixing to secure the building and do that. Before I leave, I'm going to turn on my torpedo heater. We've already hit the high temp for today, and it's only 9:20. Temperature's already starting to drop. It's going to get cold. That's just all there is to it. And with the door open and drop the temperature of my building down to 60, it'll take me a 40-minute round trip to go pay the man. Happy to do it. They did a real nice job. And my back doesn't even hurt. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.